In this video, we are going to review the best 5 spot welders available in the current market. After reviewing 15 welders and interviewing 50 users, we built this best list for you. Bewant 13PC Spot Weld Cutter. This is an excellent product of Bewant. This spot weld cutter comes with 13 pieces 3/8 inch cutting blades. This cutter allows you to perfect application with an excellent cutting appearance. It features fast and smooth characteristics. And it has a very easy usage capacity every time. Overall, the Bewant spot weld cutter is perfect for heavy-duty spot welds. Blair 11096 Cutter Set. This is one of the best brands for spot weld cutter. There are 3 cutting bits included in the kit. You will be able to use 3 bits for your professional spot welding. It has arbor assembly with 2 skip-proof pilots as well. It works with sheet metal and 1/2 inch other metals. Grizzly T10296 Double End Spot Weld Cutter. This spot weld cutter comes in a very useful kit. It includes 6 3/8 double-ended cutters and 3 spring-loaded centering tips. The centering tips are handy for guiding the blade into the center of the spot weld so the cut is smooth and precise. The kit itself is lightweight and compact enough to fit even small toolbox compartments. KCC Industries Spot Weld Cutter Set. It features a 3/8 diameter cutting blade, which is the most suitable size for removing spot welds. Similarly, it flats with 1/4 standard size arbor and fits with any other drills. Besides that, the package included 2 double-sided cutting blade and 2 arbors. You should use high temperature lube to maximize the lasting of the blades. Zinger Spot Weld Cutter. Zinger Spot Weld Cutter, which is made from high-quality heat-resistant steel and comes with 3/8 diameter of cutting blade size. Besides that, it will fit for 1/4 of an inch any other drill machines. And the set includes 2 pieces 3/8 inch rotary spot weld drill. 4 replacement metal cutter blades are included as well.